Did you know the percentage of Nevadans without dental coverage exceeds the national average? There are simple steps you can take now to avoid painful and costly treatments later. We sat down with dental hygienist Adrien Little of Silver State Smiles. Adrien says, start with the basics.
So ideal brushing twice a day, that's the minimum. 30 seconds here, 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 you're done. I usually recommend brushing your tongue afterwards as well. It will harbor a lot of bacteria and it'll kind of just freshen things up in there for you.
And don't forget,
toothbrushing only gets about 60% of tooth surfaces, so you need to incorporate really good flossing. So in addition to flossing, I always highly recommend a water pick. So if you can afford a water pick, they have a lot of great options. A lot of them start about $30.
Looking for a more natural way to attack the plaque? Try this.
So just like the crunchy vegetables, you're looking at carrots, like the raw carrots, the raw broccoli. That crunch helps actually remove plaque from our teeth. It's the same with like a dog chewing on a bone. It removes that plaque from their teeth. It's just something that nature gave us to help just naturally clean our teeth.
On the other hand, there are the ingredients that cause more harm than good.
If you are going to continue to consume sugary foods, sugary drinks, rinse your mouth out with some water afterwards. It kind of helps neutralize the acid right away, and it just gets that sugar off of your teeth.
And healthy dental habits start early.
With new moms, they want to feed the child a bottle and then just place them straight to bed. It's the worst thing. All that sugar in that milk is just sitting on those new fresh teeth. We want to at least wipe them off with a washcloth, something. Just kind of wipe the mouth out.
Back to the adults. The mouth is truly the gateway to the body when it comes to health, in ways you might not expect.
Plaque that we're trying to get off our teeth. That's like the main thing that we're trying to do with brushing and flossing. That is the same plaque that's found in the arteries. So when you do have congestive heart failure or a buildup of plaque in your arteries, that is essentially coming from your mouth. It starts in your mouth, gets into your bloodstream. So that's why it's just so important to take care of the teeth.
With simple daily habits, you can keep those pearly whites for years to come.
We do like to educate everyone.
For more tips and information on dental care, you can visit the website on your screen.